Hello, everybody from Thimphu, the capital of Bhutan. I'm here briefly talking to colleagues in the government space and in the academic world, discussing the possibility of enhancing our cooperation on research, on teaching, on training, etc. But also getting a sense of where the country is at. Bhutan is very particular in many ways. It's a Buddhist monarchy, the only in the world. It's not a very large country. It's about 600,000 people, country the size of Switzerland. It's landlocked between two giants, India and China. It has a very complicated relationship with China. Part of their border is not properly demarcated. They have territorial issues and others with China. Much more fluid relationship with the Indians, culturally, diplomatically, in many ways. So they're right there on one of the fault lines of global geopolitics. They don't engage diplomatically with major powers in a structured way. They don't have embassies in any of the P5 countries. They're permanent members of the UN Security Council. They only have about 8 embassies abroad, so they're only engaging very sporadically and strategically abroad. So that makes them different and a very particular place. And the other thing that actually makes them very different is they've developed this idea of the gross national happiness index, the complex metric that attempts to capture things that go beyond sheer economic growth and output. So environmental preservation, cultural preservation, and they've been really at the forefront of the redefinition of what prosperity means. And I'm recording this on the 20th of March, which is the World Happiness Day, which is something that they put forward in the UN and others. So it's always interesting to be here and to see how they're trying to build these sort of Buddhist guardrails to globalization and economic development. Anyway, fascinating visit as always, and it's one of these countries to get to know and to discover, because it is truly very different and in a very peculiar and significant geographic location. Thank you.